Hey all, welcome to Latu's Kitchen. Here is yet another pizza recipe which is one of my favorite. Paneer tikka pizza, which I have made paneer tikka yesterday. I thought why not try a pizza out of it. It came out super delicious. You got to try this. Before that, I'll give the link in the description box how to grill paneer tikka. You may want to refer as well in the iCard. Just have a look. Before we go in detail, let me first welcome everyone to Latu's Kitchen. Are you first time visitor here? Not to forget to subscribe. Find the video useful, do share. If you like it, leave a like, and any questions, do write into us in the comment section. Would love to hear. And yes, these are the paneer tikka which I have grilled yesterday. Paneer tikka is nothing but cottage cheese which are well marinated in a yogurt sauce with some blend of Indian spices and then grilled, which needs to be grilled and kept aside. And the pizza dough which I have reserved from the sweet potato bread recipe which I have posted couple of days before. And trust me, it came out to be super perfect. The pizza dough base which I'm talking about, the dough, you can see it is nicely proofed. I have of course used 3/4 of the portion is for making bread, and 1/4 I have reserved it for my pizza. Here is the bread. It came out to be super good. You got to try this. You can as well refer the link in the description. I would like to share this link as well. Sweet potato bread loaf. Let's get started how to make a paneer tikka pizza. Here is the dough, which once you take it out from the refrigerator, which needs to be kept it till it comes for room temperature, and then dust it with some flour, the work surface or the wooden plate, whichever the one you're taking. Make it into a round shape using your fingers preferable, and you can prick it with fork, so that when you're baking, the pizza gets cooked inside too, the base get baked inside too. That is the purpose of pricking it with fork. Paneer tikka, there are many variations. Some they marinate the cottage cheese, that is the paneer, and then directly add in after adding the pizza sauce and some herbs. But I prefer to do it this way. Let me grill the paneer tikka first, and then it gives a nice smoky flavor to the paneer when you do that, and then you can add it to your pizza base and then bake it again. Is the variation which I'm attempting here, which came out to be super perfect and good. Once your dough is ready, you can transfer that to your baking tray. Ensure that your tray is greased with butter and dusted with flour, of course. Add pizza sauce preferable, or you can even as well add tomato sauce, or you can make a homemade pizza sauce, which I have posted in my earlier pizza recipe, margarita pizza, where I have made a homemade sauce which really came out to be perfect for pizza. You may want to refer that as well if you're interested in homemade pizza sauce. I'm sprinkling some Italian herbs, mixed Italian herbs. I get it as a pizza masala in the Indian stores out here, which I am adding a good handful. And then this paneer tikka goes in, which are nicely grilled. Before that, well marinated in yogurt sauce with some blend of nice spices. This goes in along with the veggies like capsicum and onions. You can have a small chunks. Yes, the paneer, the size of the paneer is little bigger, but as well you can cut it into small cubes for if you're making it for paneer pizza sake paneer tikka, then you may want to cut it into small pieces. Yes, you can do that. And then handful of grated cheese goes in. Once you arrange the paneer tikka on top of the pizza base, good handful of cheese, and corns if you want you can add them. I'm adding it towards the end, which I've totally forgotten, and some more herbs goes in on top. Here I'm adding some boiled sweet corns. So it makes it as a complete meal, veggies, paneer, corns, and moreover it's a homemade base which is made out of whole wheat, some sweet potato, a little bit of all-purpose flour. Here you go. Bake it at 200-degree preheat for 10 minutes and then bake it at 30 minutes. Here you go. Excellent. Paneer tikka pizza is ready. Trust me, it's too good. You got to try this and then do let me know. Thank you so much for tuning into Lattu's Kitchen. Looking forward to seeing you back.